How to sign up for a new Wise account. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily sign up for a new Wise account. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up any web browser you have and simply search for Wise login and hit enter. Click on the first link that you see, Wise, the international account, money without borders. Click on this link and head over to wise.com. On the top right option, you have an option to log in and register. If you are an existing user, you can click on this login to simply log into your account. Or if you're new, click on this register account. Now you have multiple options to continue with. You can use your Google account, your Facebook, or your Apple ID. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with my Google account. And once you've done that, choose what kind of account you'd like to open. I'm just going to go ahead and click on normal. Select the country where you live the most. And you can see what you can do with Wise in your country. And then click on continue. Now, once you have done that, you can see what not to do with your Wise account. Click on agree and continue. Now you'll just have to provide your phone number and verify the code, and then create a password, and your account will be created. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.